Just check. Okay, this is the drawing number 3. Okay, here the same step we'll do this circle, this part first. Second part, we draw box and then we draw the circles. Then number 3, we draw the box, we draw the circles, and this is the most trickiest part here. We'll do the loft features, loft functions. Okay, now let's start the drawing. Okay, make sure your AutoCAD is in the 3D modeling mode. Okay, then change into the SE isometric. Then apply the show the UCS icon. If you don't have it, this bulb symbols, you just try UCS icon. UCS icon. Okay, then select no origin. Right? Okay. So first step here is select the center radius 0, 0, enter. Okay, activate the auto. Then the radius is 25, enter. Okay, next is the radius of 15, enter. Okay, done. Now apply the press pull with the thickness of 80 millimeter at 0. Escape to exit. Okay, done. Select the shaded with edges. Okay, now is in the 3D mode, all the 3D mode. So next step here is we want to draw this. Okay, this box. So to draw this box, we need to calculate what is the length here. So 37 minus R25, so we get here 12 millimeter, right? Okay. So we need to change to the front plane. Yeah. Okay. Draw this box. The length here is 12. Tab, and the height is 40 millimeter. Okay. Now draw the circle of with diameter of 40 millimeter here. Okay, enter 40 millimeter, and then radius 10 millimeter here. Enter. Then type trim, TR trim. So remove the unwanted line here and erase this line. Oh no, cannot. Just apply trim, yeah. Okay, escape to exit, then apply the press pull with the thickness of 26, where we can get it by summation of 10 plus 6 plus 10, so 26. Press pull, 26, enter. Here is just make it through hole. Escape to exit, then move, type M to move. Press here, enter, select the midpoint, and then deactivate the auto mode, then select the quadrant. So you will see here the quadrant symbol like a diamond shape. Okay, then escape to exit, then apply the press pull again to make sure this structure is penetrate into the circle structure. Okay, it's too much here, we can drag it back, enter, and escape to exit, and erase the construction line here. Then enter to erase again, select, then enter. Done, right? Then apply the solid union. Done. Okay. So now go to the top view. So we need to draw this lines because we have like a small groove 6 mm here. So to do that, apply the line, click the line, okay, here, okay, activate the auto mode, enter. Okay, now offset, click here to offset and you type O to offset. So the thickness is 6, so we divided by 2 is 3. So enter. So 3 for the other half and 3 here. Okay. Now click line here, here, L line here and here. Okay. Then we can erase the center line here. Okay. Erase this one. Enter. Now I want to use the extrude features. Okay, select extrude, but before that we need to join all the line. So type J to join. Click here, here, and here, and enter. So now it become a one solid structure. So now click extrude, enter. Okay, then drag it along way down here. Okay, now escape to exit. Then use this icon, mean this is a solid substrate. So click this one and then click the main structure here, enter, and then select this unwanted structure, select, then click left click and enter. So now it remove it, right? It's removed. Okay, so the next step here is we can draw this box first. Okay, so we know that 25 minus uh, 3. So this is 40. So the length here is we can know by subtracting 45 minus 25. So this is 20 plus 12. So we got here is 32. Yeah. Okay. Now change the view to the front. Okay. Now take this box. Okay. The length is 32. Tab and the height is 40 millimeter. Yeah. Now go to the press tool. So the thickness here is 20 millimeter. Escape to exit. So now we draw the another circles, which is here R equal to 22. Okay. Select center with radius R equal to R20. Enter. Then apply the press tool with the thickness of 40 millimeter. Enter. Okay. Now okay, let's do the simplest things here. There is many alternative way to do this. For example, let me do it again. Erase this part here. Erase this part here. Okay. For example, I want to move this circle. Enter. For example, here I'm bring it here. Okay. Then I can apply the press pull. This section I move here is 10 millimeter for the other side, and the other half here is 10 millimeter. Okay. And then go back to the isometric view. Press pull the other circle. So let me trim this one. Trim. Okay. Press pull. This one here is 20 millimeter. Yeah. So the half here is 20 millimeter. Okay, this is the another alternative we can do like this. Okay. SE isometric. Okay, done. Now we can change into this front view. Okay. So I want to draw a circle here. So the diameter is R equal to 12.5. Okay. 12.5. Enter. Okay. Now same, I apply the press pull. So it's good now. Okay. Let me remove the construction line here. So I type M, select, enter. Okay, so I want to erase all this construction line. Okay, same thing with this part. I want to remove all the construction line first. Okay, everything is okay now. So because I want to move this part and this part, so keep a solid union first here, and for solid union, then done also. Okay, so I want to move these edges here somewhere here, 40 millimeter. So here, enter. 40 millimeter. Okay, here, because I want to ensure that this part here will be sit exactly in this region of 40 millimeter. So now I want to move this part here. Okay, so click this icon, click this, enter, select the midpoint. Then I can find I will find the quadrant symbol. So I turn off the auto. Find the quadrant symbol. It's quite difficult actually. Click quadrant here. Okay, enter. So basically this is my guideline to ensure that this part here sit exactly at 40 millimeter height. Okay, now remove the construction line here, enter, and then erase, enter, done. Okay, the last part here, let me remove the construction line here, enter. Okay, next is we want to draw this rib. So basically this one is a little bit tricky, so please watch this one carefully. Okay, first we know that the length here is here is 20 millimeter, which is we get from 45 minus 25. So this is 20. So here is 10. So the radius of the circle is 25. Okay. First, change the plane into the top. Okay. Draw the rectangular first. The length here is 20 and the width here is 10 millimeter. Okay. Now the line here, activate the auto mode. So the length here is 25. Yeah. Now center diameter. Click here and then the diameter here is 25. Sorry, 50. Because I'm using a diameter, so the diameter is 50. Okay. Okay. Now apply the explode command. Type X, explode. Click this rectangular box. Okay. Enter. Then type EX to extend the line, so it can extend the line to this circle. Okay. Right. See, it's connecting right now. So escape. Now apply trim. Okay. Remove the circle, this line, this circle, and this circle. Okay. Next step here is move. We want to move this up to 14 millimeter. Click move. Click. Enter. This is the center line, and then type 40 millimeter. Okay. So we want to join this line first. Click J to join. Okay, enter. Then type L to connecting between this arc and this edge here. Okay, line here and here. Done, right? So now I'm introducing you the new command beside extrude, which is loft. Okay. So now we select this part first. Okay. Then enter. Use guide. Click this line and this line. Then enter. Now done, right? Now we want to move this rib here into this main part here. Okay. Now click track, type M, move, select this object, enter. Then select the midpoint here. Then bring it here into the quadrant. So it's not quadrant, so Control Shift and right click and choose quadrant. Now it's quadrant mode, yeah. See, enter. Now escape, exit. Now type surf curve, SURFSULPT, surf curve. Select the whole object and enter. It's removed. Ctrl Z, never mind. Then go to the solid union. Continue the union operation. Okay, done. And then try do it again. Surf curve. Enter. So seems like this part here is missing. Never mind. Just Ctrl Z. So this one should be appear like this, but I don't know, something happened here. But this is the object right now. Seems it's not joining this part and this part. Let me do it again. SURF surf curve. Enter. Enter. Something happened. It's not joined. Z. Never mind. So at least you can do until here. Okay. Thank you very much.